Alrighty guys, we are playing the Lucky Ducky Dual Hunt. See, we're playing that last time in $2 denomination. Got $100 in. We're going to rotate the bet from 2, 1, 2, and 3s. Just to see what happens. That would really suck if the diamond came out on that one bet. And if I hit something, I'm just going to repeat that bet. If not, I'm just going to keep on rotating. Come on, Lucky Duck. Alright. Repeat. Nothing there. Nothing there. Well, other than that, okay. Do it again. Face off the line. Ugh. I was really hoping that Joey came out. Mixed bars. Yep. Repeat. $4 bet. Face on the line at least. Yeah. Repeat. Come on. Diamond come out right now, max bet. Nothing there. Okay. Yeah, sorry guys, I had to be really petty. Oh, something, come on. Go red. Yeah, mixed bars to single, single, single. Whatever. Okay, back to 1. I ain't gonna lie, if I double my money before I can even get the last jewelry, that's still a successful session if you ask me. That's worth cashing out. Come on, give me the last diamond. Do it right here on max bet. Nope. Come on, baby. We're somewhere. I just need that diamond to fly up into the last slot up there. Ooh, something. Should have went red for a peace sign at least. Alright, after this, we're just going to do $2s and $3 bet. So it'll be $4 and $6 bets. So let's go with the max right now. Nothing. I could be petty and just bet single bar, one bet all the way through and catch it, but I don't think that's worth it. Not on one. Why can't you just drop down right there, bro? I would have been super happy. Come on, Ducky. Yeah. T. Correct? Yes. Face single, single. Oh. You could have just at least dropped right there, bro. But alright, that's still cool though. I did not see that hit. I thought the T was going to come out, but I was so wrong again. I just need a diamond to come out though. Come play with me, Ducky. Give me the diamond, bro. Or at least give me a double up. Something. Okay. Yeah. please, something. Go red. Look at that, guys. Look at that bingo card. So many different possibilities. Ooh, come on, diamond. Or something. Come on, duck. Stop teasing me, bro. I need that last diamond to go up there. Doing so good, Ducky. I don't know why you're wrapping up. Mixed bars? Not even mixed bars. Base on the line? Yeah. Again? Oh no. I was about to say do it again, but nah. Mixed bars at least? Stupid seconds. Come on, Diamond. I need you to come out right now, bro. Why can't you just drop in the middle, bro? To quit. Come on. Something got to happen. What do you guys think? You think the diamond's gonna come out on 2 or 3? I have a feeling it might come on 2. If I don't lose my money, yeah, I'm betting on 2. I'm hoping I'm wrong. It does it on 2. It's always rewarding whenever the diamond comes out on max stuff. Okay. Place on the line. Mixed bars. Yeah, of course. Keep on. Okay. Mixed bars? No? Come on, Ducky. You can bring that diamond out anytime you want to, bro. I'll just sit here and wait. Face off the line. Go red. No? Why can't you just go in the middle? That would have been cooler. Okay. Come on. Maybe I need to start concentrating and just trying to do a double up instead of trying to take this last diamond. Come on. Nothing. Oh, please something. Bro, you could have went red. Look at that bingo card. Could have went something like peace sign. Yeah. But hey, just give me a little bit of money. Give me some play room. that's for sure. But I really thought that was going to go red. I really thought it was going to go red. That'd be really crazy right now if I bet 1 credit and that freaking diamond comes out. But I won't do it. Ooh, something? No. How about now? Okay. Come on, Ducky. Don't do this to me. Face off the line? Not even. Actually, I'm just going to hit the max bet all the way through, guys. I'm tired of getting teased. Either you're going to do something, or just take my money. But before that happens, let me bet 1 and see what happens. Face on the line? No? Okay. Let me bet 2. Nothing happens, and the rest max bet. Yeah. 10 more pushes. I don't think it's 10 more pushes. I lied. It's actually 3 more pushes. Oh man, I really was hoping you do something. And the very last push of the day. Ah, sucker. Look what I caught there, guys. I was just putting my little $40 in my leftover money from my Lucky Ducky machine. And look what I caught. Face triple triple. So let's continue and see if I can build this ticket up. That would be cool. Did not expect that, guys. I thought I was just gonna go home broke. So far, like double my money. Okay. Let's try and catch some red screens for you guys. Go fight all our bets. Come on. Ew. Max bet it. Just doing some little rotation bet, guys. And of course, when I don't record, something happens. Ooh, caught it. Got the step ladder and little dipper. Oh, what? Come on, do it again. Ooh, caught the win again, baby. Got open V. Inside corners and step ladder. And quick. Alright, everything max bet. Come on, baby. Wow. Something. Okay. Again. I don't know what really the goal is, but if I can get to 200 or 150, I'll be happy. So 150 is the goal, guys. All right. Okay. Do it again. Ooh, caught the step ladder. And small diamond, which is weird. Okay. Go back to final our event real quick. Go red. Ooh, this is a pretty one. There we go. We got the small diamond, open diamond. Inside corners. Button. Big diamond. Pirate stripes. And big diamond again. Ooh, almost caught our 150 dip. Oh man. Ooh, max betted. Got the inside corners. And X, guys. There you go. Beautiful. There you guys go. And here we are now. Got $204 out. Thank you so much, Hot Red Ruby number 2. Good times, baby. Alrighty, guys. We are playing the King of Coins, the progressive. 368,000. Put $100 in there. See what happens, guys. See if we can double or not. Next price. Totally live. Face on the line? No. Let me bet $1 real quick, guys. Alright, and everything else, max bet. Okay. Something. Go red. No? Okay. Mixed bars? No. Oh, come on. King of Coins. Oh, peace sign. I was thinking it's triple, 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 but face, double, double. That was beautiful, guys. That was unexpected. Come on, baby. Give me my double up. Crazy, I haven't even got a red screen yet, but you know, with that anchor dropping like that, I mean, peace sign, I couldn't even complain. Yeah. Should have went red for at least single. Come on, baby. I know you can do it, King. Right here. Okay, you didn't want to go red. Come on. Ugh. Okay, I caught a mixed bars. Oh, well, two face off the line is the same thing as a mixed bars. Ooh, do it again. Got the double. Is there any more? Come on, baby. I know you got a little bit more in you, King. We'll just keep on going. Just a little tad longer, guys. Something might happen. Can we at least get it to 300? I know that's too much to ask, but hey. Can't help but to try and ask for it, you know? If anything, I'll stop at 180. That's just weird. Who wants to do it at 180? Either 300 or 200, but I just want to keep on going just a little tad longer. I think this king is going to come out with something. I feel it. I'm hoping my gut feeling isn't wrong, but we'll see. Could have went red for a mixed bars, but all right. Ooh, never mind. Why, bro? Face off the line. There we go. Alright. The machine's slightly cooperating still. Not as much, but... Alright. If I can get back to 200, I'll quit. You hear me, King? I'll quit, bro. 200 bucks. Why can't you go red for a single, bro? So far, my red screens were like pretty small hits. Oh, we got the 200. But I still want to keep on playing.